Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Akhil Priya Classes. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification. Today I am going to discuss about the particular problem faced by the students of class 10th if the data given in our class interval is not continuous. So today I am going to discuss that particular problem in front of you. So I have taken the question number 4 of our exercise 14.3 of NCRT of class 10th of statistics chapter. So let's get started with the problem. In the question we have given that the length of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to the nearest millimeter and the data obtained is represented in the following table. So the table given in the question is 118 to 126. So here clearly you can see that it is not starting again with the number 126. And as it ends on 135, it's not continuing with 135. So what we have to do in such type of questions, how we have to find the class intervals, we are going to discuss. But just focusing on the question that for the length in millimeter for the each leaves are given, number of leaves respective number of leaves are given. So what the question needs us to find the median length of the leaves. Now coming to the again this problem, in such type of question if we have given with not a continuing class interval, so in such problem we have to subtract the lower limit with 0.5 and add the upper limit with 0.5. Like as we have to subtract 118 minus 0.5, that comes out to be 117.5, and we have to add 0.5 in the upper limit. It means 126 plus 0.5, that comes out to be 126.5. And again in the next we have to subtract the 0.5 and add 0.5 in the upper limit. So when we subtract 127 point minus 0.5, it comes out to be 126.5. So like I have told you, we have to prepare a new class interval. Let's get started. Now I think you are well comfortable with this. I have subtract zero point 0.5 from the lower limit and add zero point 0.5 in the upper limit. So we have the, you can see easily that we have the class intervals in continuity. Okay, we have given frequency in the question. We just need to find out the cumulative frequency. You all are well aware how to find out cumulative frequency, just addition of the frequencies. 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 9 17, up to our last value. You are also know that the last value of our cumulative frequency is the value of n. From the value of n we can easily calculate the value of n by 2, that comes out to be 20. So which class interval we have to choose is depend on our value of n by 2. As you can see that it comes out to be 20, so we have to choose that one class which is greater than 20. So here it lies in between 17 and 29. As we can see that 17 is less than 20 and 29 is greater than 20, so we will choose this median class. Okay, so our median class is 144.5 to 153.5 as I've discussed with you. So the lower limit is 144.5, and by 2 we have calculated value of frequency For the 145 to 153.5 is 12, and the value of CA for the preceding class is 17. So now just putting the all the values, and here also the width, how can you find out the width? Just subtracting both the numbers, upper limit minus lower limit of any class interval, you know, with the value of class width. So here just putting all the values, we easily come to know our value of median is equal to 146.75 mm. Okay, so I just wanted to say that don't need to be worry about the question or the class interval if it is not given in continuity. You just remember one thing, that you have to subtract zero point 0.5 from the lower limit and add the zero point 0.5 in the upper limit. That will prepare automatically your continuity class interval, and the frequencies are given to you, and easily you can find cumulative frequency, and just putting all the values in the formula based on the value of n by 2. Why I have taken the particular class, I have told you. Okay, further, I if you have any query, you can comment me in my comment box. I hope this question is very clear to you. If you like the video, please hit the bell icon, and thank you for